In this video, we are going to see how we can quickly create a QR code for any website, for any page or whatever directly in the ChatGPT. It is 100% working method. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So for example, I want my clients to land directly on my website and I want to generate a QR code and put it in my shop or whatever. What we'll use is a simple version of ChatGPT. Create a QR code for the link provided, and I'll just mention the link, and you can also add make it a fancy one so that I can put it on my counter of the shop. Let's see how it creates and whether it works or not. And as we can see, the QR code is now generated. We'll just download it and see if that works. And now we will try to scan it, whether from the default app of camera, or you can also use any kind of QR generator as well. Just download it on your mobile and scan it. If it doesn't work for some reason, you can simply ask ChatGPT to give you a revised version by just telling it doesn't work. So it now says that the previous one was more fancy, so that's why it didn't work. It has provided you with the revised version as well. So what you do is you just scan it, and now it is fully readable, even with your simple camera app. I've tested this multiple times with my camera and it is fully workable now. So that is how you can generate a fully working QR code without using any external app. You can create it directly in ChatGPT. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.